Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very effective homeopathic medicine for your heart. So if you are chronic sufferer of any type of heart diseases, like if you have the problem of hypertension, you have the problem of high blood pressure, or if you have the high cholesterol level, then this video is going to be useful for you, because today I will tell you the very effective homeopathic heart tonic medicine which you can use this medicine as a preventive medicine as well as a curative medicine. In this video, I will tell you about the Tonic-Art Gold Drop, which is very effective homeopathic medicine. Its prices, its composition, indication of this medicine, and the dosage. How can you take this medicine for the better result? So, video is very informative. Watch till then. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my coming videos. That talks about the SPL's Tonic-Art Gold Drop. About the Tonic-Art Gold Drop, I have already uploaded a lots of video on the Tonic-Art. You can also check this video. In this video, I will tell you about what are the indication of the Tonic-Art Gold Drop, and also I will tell you about the composition of this medicine, and also I will tell you the dosage, the correct way of using this Tonic-Art Gold Drop. You can use the Tonic-Art Gold Drop as a preventive medicine and as well as you can use as a curative medicine. So if you are the chronic sufferer of any type of heart disease, like if you have the problem of hypertension, you have the problem of high blood pressure, or if you have the previous history of heart attack, angina, chest tightness and palpitation, in all these conditions, this Tonic-Art Gold Drops have the excellent results. And also if you are want your heart to become very strong, then you can use this Tonic-Art Gold Drop as a heart tonic, because Tonic-Art Gold Drop, you can use this Tonic-Art Gold Drop as a heart tonic. So let's talk about what are the composition and the price of the Tonic-Art Gold. In the Tonic-Art, various types of heart medicines are added which have the action on our heart muscles, on our blood circulation, on our heart. So in this, the cactus is added, camphora is added, and crataegus are added. All these three important medicines which have specialized action on our heart, on our blood circulation. It can improve your heart muscle. The crataegus is a very effective homeopathic medicine for the heart. It is a very good heart tonic. It can boost your heart, and also it improve your blood circulation. Also it has the capability to reduce the cholesterol level. It reduces the plaque formation in the body. You can use this Crataegus oxycantha as a heart tonic. It can prevent your heart from the heart attack. It also improves your angina, chest tightness, breathlessness types of condition. It has the antioxidants property, which reduces the all of free radicals from your blood. It improves your blood circulation, and also it has the anti-rhythmic property, which improve your arrhythmia like condition. If you have the tachycardia, or if you have the bradycardia, or if you have the palpitation, your heartbeat is irregular, in this condition Crataegus can help you a lot. And next, the next medicine is in this, the camphora. Camphora is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It acts on our blood circulation. It improves your blood circulation. So those patients who have the diminished blood circulation, or those patients who have the thickened blood, this medicine can help your blood circulation. It improves your blood circulation and reduces the viscosity of your blood. So if you are taking the blood thinner medicine, the camphora can helps you a lot. And the third medicine in this composition is added the cactus. Cactus is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It can help you as a heart tonic. It can prevent your heart from the heart attack. It boosts your heart muscles, improve your blood circulation. It improve your cardiac arrest, and also it improve your palpitation, angina like condition. Let's talk about price of the medicine. The Tonicart Gold Drop is available at the price of 160 rupees for the 30 ml of packaging. 100 ml of packaging is also available. You can buy this homeopathic medicine from any nearby your homeopathic store, or you can buy it from the online. Let's talk about the indication of the medicine. As already I have told you that the first most important indication of the Tonicart Gold Drop, that is indicated for the angina-like condition. So if you have the history of angina, like if you have the chest tightness, or if you have the chest pain, while walking you feel breathlessness condition, in this condition you can use this Tonicart Gold Drop. If you feel always chest tightness, chest constriction, in this condition you can use the Tonicart. And also if you have the problem of hypertension, if you have high blood pressure problem, you are taking the hypertensive medicines, like you are taking the blood pressure medicine, in this condition you can use the Tonicart Gold Drop along with your allopathic medicine, with the under guidance of your any qualified homeopathic doctor. And the next indication of the Tonicart Gold Drop is that it is indicated for the palpitation. If you have the problem of palpitation, if you feel your heartbeat, this condition you can use. If you feel anxious always, you feel always anxiety, or if you have lack of sleep, in this condition you can use this Tonicart Gold Drop. And also if you have the problem of high pulse rate, tachycardia or bradycardia, in this condition you can use this homeopathic medicine. This Tonicart Gold Drop can stabilize or normalize your blood pressure as well as your heartbeat. It improves your pulse rate. And the next indication of the gold drop, if you have the diminished blood circulation, your blood circulation is very poor, in this condition you can use this Tonicart Gold Drop, because Tonicart Gold Drop can improve your blood circulation, because it has a specialized action on our blood circulation. And the next indication of the Tonicart Gold Drop, that is the if you have the problem of, if you are suffering from any types of heart disease, like if you have the mitral stenosis, or if you have the valvular insufficiency or cardiac arrhythmia, in this condition you can use this Tonicart Gold Drop. Also if you have the history of bypass surgery, in this condition you can take this Tonicart Gold Drop along with your allopathic medicine, with the under guidance of qualified homeopathic doctor. So friends, this was some indication of the Tonicart Gold Drop. That talks about what are the doses of the medicine. You have to take 10 to 15 drops in 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day. You can take this medicine for 2 to 3 months along with your allopathic medicine, with the under guidance of qualified homeopathic doctor. And also if you want to boost your heart health, you can take this Tonicart Gold Drop as a preventive medicine for prevention of the heart attack, or if you want your heart to boost up your heart muscle, this condition you can take Tonicart Gold Drop, 1/4 cup of water, 10 to 15 drops thrice in a day for 1 to 2 months. Definitely will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the Tonicart Gold Drop. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.